So I'm here with Aaron Hamilton. Aaron, can you tell me a bit about yourself and where you're from?
I'm from Dominica. I come from I was born in the south of Dominica, but I grew up in the northeast, and now I live in the Roseau area. That's close enough to Roseau. I work with the cultural division, and I do part-time work with them, and the other time I'm just doing art, painting, drawing. My responsibility with the cultural division is to teach art to different areas. Like we have certain schools that I go to and give them a little bit of art education.
So how long have you been an artist?
I would say I've been an artist all my life.
Yeah.
I started at the age of 4, and I've been drawing throughout, on and off, but I always kept drawing, I always kept doing art. To me it was just part of it. I didn't see any where I couldn't do it. If I stopped for a while, but I will always start back eventually, either in some form or the other, whether musically or whether painting, doing something like artistic, something creativity.
And so can you tell me a bit about the work you have here at CaFA?
Well, the work that I have here today is really showing a glimpse of things that I do. I'm trying to link our spirituality, our emotions with a visual form, and I'm trying to put certain messages within my work so that I can tell a story. I can bring about some awareness to my people and those who feel the work that I do. So most of my work, it has a strong base. When you look at it visually, you can recognize something in it, but also there are meanings that I try to really bring out. Take for example the piece about Erica, which is this piece. I actually trying to talk about the emotions of people after a storm, after a devastating tropical storm that devastated the area, and how they feel vulnerable. That's what I'm trying to bring out in the piece. So that when you look at it, you're not just going to see some form of sexuality, but you're just going to see that somebody who is naked in the rain in a situation that's looking like they need help and they need that type of thing. So that's what I try to bring.
Yeah. So what effects do you feel that art or creativity has for you? Like, is it something that you like you an artist who, like, you'll paint one day and not paint for a long time, or it's something that you have to do all the time?
It's not something that I have to do all the time, but I believe I have different methods in creativity, because there are times I feel like I want to write, there are times I feel like I want to paint, there are times I feel like I want to play music. So I kind of split paintings between these 3 disciplines that I have doing, and it's not every time that I feel like painting. So sometimes I paint, sometimes I do not. Sometimes it takes a while before I paint, sometimes it's like I'm painting every day.
Yeah.
But to me, painting never stops, because the way I look at things, I'm in my mind always painting something. Because I can see an image and I'm trying to decode it, break it down into simpler forms, how I'm going to do it. And think about it and plan it even before I actually reach a pen or a paper. So I'm always thinking of ways in which I can bring out or I can create something.
So is painting your number one medium? Is this acrylic or oils or?
Yes, painting is my number one thing to do, medium, and I use any material. It could be acrylics, it could be oils, it could be pastels, it could be watercolor. I do very nice in watercolor a lot. I use it a lot, and charcoal, any medium that I get, paper, newspapers, collages, anything like that. Since it's to be creative, I can use it to draw, I can use it to bring out an image. I will do that.
Yeah.
It's not a problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how have you used your art to inspire change in your audience?
By telling stories, and I've used my art. It's really teaching the children, the younger generation, trying to give them an opportunity to do it. Because in our school system, it is not something that is so prominent. It is not something that's looked upon as great importance, and I believe it's a great importance. So I go to the schools and work my butt off just so that I could get the children doing something in art. There's another avenue. I always say it's not only one avenue there is, but there are many different avenues, especially when it comes to art and education. Because education is not just an academic thing, it's also something that is creative, something that we have to do so that we can build on the knowledge that we have. So that's it. Education to me is just getting knowledge, acquiring knowledge. That's my education in anything. Yeah.
So after CaFA, where else are you going?
After CaFA, I'm going back home to Dominica, and I'm going to start working on an exhibition that I call Shape. Shape is talking about change, how our community shapes us, and how we in turn shape the community. So I'm going to work in that. So in the month of August, hopefully that I'm going to put together that show, and it will be in Dominica, back home. Because, as I am a member of WA, and that is the White Equipment Artists Association. I'm the vice president, and what we did, we put together a calendar of events for our artists. Where throughout this year, every month in the year, we want to do an art exhibition so that more creativity, more artistic expressions will be shown throughout Dominica, and people will be more aware of what we have to offer. So as part of that, I'm doing that exhibition, and I'm also helping the others who are members to, and encouraging them as well to put the show forward. I'll be going back to the cultural division, back to the schools. You know, these are some of the things to continue the work. And while here at CaFA, I've learned a great deal because it's my first time here, and I've learned a great deal through the symposiums and other things that it says that we have a lot to work on, and we need to stand and work now. And it's not later, it's now. So I feel I have a big work upon my hand to get back to work and start to get our members and the students and the people more active and more involved in art.
Okay, and how can we get hold of you?
Well, you can get hold of me through my email, and you can look at me on Facebook, Instagram, and these are areas where you can look at me. My email is haig548@gmail.com, so you can email me, you can call me. My number is 1767-614-1583. You can call me. These are the ways that you can contact me.
Okay, lovely.
On Instagram, look at me, you see iArt, and that's where you get me on Instagram.
Okay, so thank you for talking to me.
You're welcome.